Unlocking your creativity, making YouTube Shorts with AI assistance. In today's fast-paced digital world, creating engaging YouTube Shorts has never been easier, thanks to the power of AI. AI tools can transform your ideas into captivating visuals, making storyboarding a breeze. Start by outlining your concept. Next, leverage AI to generate eye-catching thumbnails and titles. These are crucial for making your shorts stand out in the feed. For content creation, AI video editors can help. Upload your footage and let AI suggest edits, transitions, and effects. Don't forget to use AI for enhancing your audio. From background music to voiceovers, AI can significantly improve your sound quality. Engagement is key. Use AI to analyze trends and suggest content adjustments, ensuring your shorts resonate with your audience. Finally, review your AI-crafted masterpiece. With a few tweaks, you're ready to upload. Watch as your AI-assisted shorts captivate viewers worldwide.